What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're gonna be doing something a little different. If you remember, a couple videos ago, I mentioned that I wanted to start a segment going over some of the homies' cars and just doing some build breakdowns for other people. I've done a couple before in the past, nothing too major. I believe I did Franz's car, Bandit, but I'm not sure if I did any others off the top of my head. But what we're gonna do is we'll go ahead and start this segment. The homie Gavin hit me up. If you remember, he had the 2018 Midnight Edition Ultima, like mine. His was a newer one, and his was bagged as well. I'm gonna try to put a clip in of his car,
I guess.
Got Gavin out here. First time y'all get to see him bagged. But he has since sold that car. But he hit me up. Not going over his new car just yet. That'll probably be a video down the road. But it'll be his girlfriend's car, Bree. She actually has a pretty dope car as well. And I will go ahead and let them kind of explain it, talk about it. But the homie Ryan did just do some more work on it. So I didn't record anything for it when it was here, when he did the previous work, the underglow and then the suspension. So yeah, I'll go ahead and let them kind of talk about what's done and show you how the car's looking. All right, there you go. So Gavin's new car, and this is the car we're talking about. Have her pull in here. There you go. Looking good. All right, so we will go start over with some of the mods that you have. I guess we could start with the back. Now, is this a custom diffuser or anything?
Yeah, it's a custom diffuser.
Okay.
So the OEM one literally just doesn't even have exhaust on it.
Okay.
So in order to fit that exhaust, you had to get a whole new diffuser.
Gotcha. Looks good. And which exhaust is this?
This is the Remark quad tip exhaust.
Okay. Looks pretty good. Definitely sounds good. We'll get a sound clip here in a little bit. Definitely loving it. As far as the color, did it come back for the rear diffuser, or is that painted?
The gloss black. Yeah, so I found it on eBay.
Mm-hmm.
I know Tom's has one for like $600. That one was $250, and it's gloss black. So.
Nice. Yeah, that is perfect. Yeah, and you didn't have to worry about trying to do a color match or change the color.
No, nothing at all.
Okay.
I'm not a big fan of flat black anyways. I like a little gloss to it.
Yeah, that's perfect. Same here. Okay, and how about the wheels?
Those are J&C's. I'm not sure what kind of wheels they are, but they're 18 by 8.5s.
Okay. Do you know the offset by chance?
I'm thinking plus 45.
Okay.
I think that was the one I was shooting for.
Mm-hmm.
That was a year ago. That was a while.
You can see the pearl in there too. Nice, nice. And it looks like she is sitting pretty low.
A little low. Just
Yeah.
some RSR lowering springs.
Nice,
I
nice.
think it drops it like an inch and a half
Okay.
on each quarter probably.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember when it was on the stock suspension.
It was definitely monster trucking.
Yeah. But yeah, that's really nice. Now, how does it feel when you're driving it?
No difference.
Difference?
Not to me, not to her.
Perfect.
So, yeah.
Nice.
Not bad at all.
Yeah, that's one of the things when it comes to lowering cars. Like certain suspension changes, it feels horrible. Did you happen to get a alignment yet?
Yep. We got it 2 weeks after Ryan did the thing, or a week last weekend.
Okay.
About a week after, to let it sit for a week.
Yeah, settle and everything.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, because you don't want to be going through tires.
No, not at all.
I've definitely gone through that. Okay. All right, we can go to the front here. Now, is this a custom one or is this one?
It is a Easy Splitters front splitter.
Okay.
Specific for the 2022 or Corolla hatchback. I think it's like 2019 to 2022 now.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But it's specifically made for this car.
Nice. Definitely like that as well. Good touch. Looks like it's a solid piece.
Yeah, it's just one. And then there's a little rubber on the end that kind of protects it or whatever.
Yeah.
But obviously it's coming off already.
Yeah. It looks pretty good. I know a lot of the ones that come out nowadays are 3-piece.
Yeah, this is just all one piece.
Yeah, which is really nice. It looks nice and solid. And yeah, it's on there. No issues there. Now, do you have any upcoming mods that you want to do?
We're gonna do the cherry blossoms.
Nice.
It's probably gonna be, instead of pink, it's gonna be teal.
Nice.
So that's probably the next thing.
Or blue? Okay.
Color blue.
Nice. And since it is so light out, we'll probably do some clips later with the underglow. And have the interior lights. So you have the star headliner?
Yep.
Okay.
We just got that done with Ryan.
Nice. And is there any other interior?
The seat covers.
Okay.
And then there's a bunch of little carbon fiber pieces.
All right.
Like little stickers, pretty much.
We can show that. All
and
right.
the diamond automats. So.
Oh, and the car seat covers too?
Yes. Which is dope. Now, as far as the seat covers, who ended up doing those?
I put them in.
Yeah, okay.
They just kind of wrap over them and you just push them in and strap them down.
Nice.
So they're not too hard.
Yeah.
I mean, they're a pain in the butt to put in, but
Right.
no sense to pay someone to do it. It just takes a while.
Yeah. And got the carbon fiber there, the center. Now, I definitely want to do that too.
Yeah.
Have it here as well. That's pretty cool. Nice. Definitely coming along. And how long have you had the car?
Pretty much
Just 1
exactly a year. We just hit it a year.
Yep, March we hit a year.
Nice. Well, congrats, and you hit the floor running with it too. Mm-hmm. Now, I'm definitely gonna put a link to both of your Instagrams if you want both of them.
It's just one.
It's
Just one?
We just kind of
Okay.
Have a chair.
The car one.
Pretty much.
my name now.
Okay. So I'll go ahead and throw that down below, and we'll make sure we can get any updates on the car as well. Y'all can follow on Instagram too. And I definitely appreciate you coming out and let me do the video for the car too. Get some sound clips here. And of course it's not a cold start, but it sounds pretty good. Perfect idle. So when you're driving on the highway, you don't hear any drone or anything, do you? Perfect.
We also have subs.
Ah. That helps.
Definitely
Do you have a trunk set up, or is it just in there?
does. Just the floor mat, that's about it. Nothing too crazy.
The JBL spare tire subwoofer.
It's underneath.
Just kind of goes in between. So it's
Nice.
pretty much built into the spare tire.
Yeah. That is pretty dope.
I'll have to take a little space out.
Mhm.
There.
Yeah, 'cause there's nothing really.
Yeah. It's like perfect daily.
Yep.
A little revving for you here. Don't want to do too much. Yeah, that sounds good. Mhm. Yeah. Love it. Oh yeah, but it is. Okay.
Not messy.
Nice. So OEM option, but not didn't come with it.
SE model didn't come with that.
Okay.
Want to hit the spoiler.
And which year is this one?
2022.
2022. Okay. Perfect. Got it brand new, I assume.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh yeah. Looks good. Yeah, I saw that I didn't end the video properly, so let's go ahead and do the ending now. But shout out to Gavin and Bree for coming through and let me do the video on the car. If any of you would like your car featured, definitely hit me up. Instagram probably be the best place to hit me up unless you know me and message me or text me. But yeah, I would definitely like to feature more cars. As long as you have some mods done, don't mind featuring you there. But we want to go ahead and make sure we have a lot more people. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow Gavin. Link will be in the description below for the account. He'll have both cars featured there, and we'll be going over his BRZ when we start getting mods and things for that as well. So definitely stay tuned and follow him for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and end the video. So the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.